Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So for today's video, you guys, I will be going out for dinner. So I really wanted to do something simple, sexy, but cute at the same time. And I decided to do a cranberry smoky eye. So get started with the video. I'm gonna be starting off with this e.l.f. primer. And I've already prepped my skin, so you guys can see I am breaking out in a few places because of the mask, because I've been using it lately a lot. In certain areas they require it, so we gotta do what we gotta do. Guys, so now I will be going in with my Frankie Rose foundation, and I'm on the shade Olive. This has been my favorite lately. I just really love how it looks on the skin. I'm gonna be applying it with a brush, foundation brush. Okay, and I will also be going in with my Frankie Rose concealer. Be adding right here. Blending with my brush. Okay, next guys, I will be going in with this Kat Von D translucent powder. I will be adding the translucent powder literally all over my face. Hey guys, I know I look a little crazy. I'll be removing this powder, and I'm just gonna leave it on my under eye, and I'm just gonna let it sit there for a little longer. Okay, and I'll be using the same brush for my bronzer to bronze my face. I'll be focusing right here. I forgot to mention, I'm using the Wet n Wild bronzer. This one's in the shade What Shade. So okay, so I'll be using a smaller brush to remove the translucent powder under my eye. Okay, next I will be going in with my Milani blush, and this one's in the shade Coral Cove. I really like this one. I'll be focusing on this top part of my cheekbone. Okay, so now we're gonna be going in with my eyes, you guys. I'm gonna go with this one from Makeup Revolution. So I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush, like this fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna add like a white eyeshadow onto my eyelid, because I do want those colors to show. Okay, so next I will be going in with the shade Deuce Paid, but I'm gonna grab a different brush. I'm gonna go in with this shade first, And that's gonna be my transition shade. Oh my god, I can't talk today, you guys, honestly. Okay, I think that's good. I'm gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna go in with this shade and this one. Use this smaller one. I'm gonna go in with the darker shade first, and I'm just gonna pack it right here. So now I'm gonna try to blend both of those colors. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, but as you guys can see, I literally did both my eyes off camera. I was really having a lot of trouble blending this eye out, this eyeshadow on this side, and I still am. It's not how I want it yet. So I really had to do this eye off camera. I don't know, I guess I just wanted to see if it was that I didn't set it how it was supposed to be set. So I'm just gonna leave as they are. I mean, they're okay, honestly. I mean, the color is not that bad, but I didn't want it this lighter. Honestly, I wanted it more darker, like I don't know, but it's okay. We're gonna leave it like that. Now I'm gonna go in with this shimmer. So you guys can see, it's really beautiful. I love it. And I'm not gonna cut my crease. I'm just gonna pack it on there with my finger, and I'm just gonna place it on my inner corner. There you go. Let me finish my other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am done packing on that shimmer. I'm now gonna go in with this darker color right here, and I'm gonna be placing it under my under eye. Let me just grab a mirror. Now I'm gonna go in with eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using this one from Maybelline. I've been using it lately. Okay, so I like to start here, and like almost in the middle. Just gonna do like a small wing eyeliner. That's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with curl my lashes first. I'm gonna go in with this Milk mascara. Okay, you guys, this is how they are looking. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my highlighter, and I'm using this one from Ofra Cosmetics.
I'm gonna focus it, and I'm gonna put it right here. A bit on my nose. Okay, and I'm gonna use a smaller brush using the same one. Put it in my inner corner. And then a little bit on my eyebrow bone. Beautiful.
Okay, you guys, to finish up this look, I'm gonna be going in with this Morphe palette, sorry. And I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I'm gonna be outlining my lips with this shade right here. And I'm just gonna outline. And now I'm gonna go in with this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Just gonna place it like that. Okay, to finalize the look, you guys, I'm gonna go in with this black eyeliner. This one's from Deuce, and this is an ultra precision eyeliner pencil. And I'm gonna be adding it onto my waterline. Look how beautiful, you guys. Okay, you guys, so this is how it turned out. And to finish this look, I'm gonna be adding this setting spray. Here you go. This one's from e.l.f. And we're gonna let it dry. Okay, you guys, this is how my makeup look turned out. I honestly love it. Although I was trying to make it look much different, much darker, smokier, but I like the turnout. I'm not complaining. You know, maybe some lashes would make it look a lot more bomb, but I'm not feeling lashes today, so we're gonna keep it as it is. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.